So this is an COD digestion apparatus. So these COD apparatus are used in various laboratories and pharmaceutical industries for wastewater and industrial process water monitoring and checking. So feature of this COD digestion apparatus is it is easy to use, less maintenance, digestion of samples using potassium dichromate and sulfuric acid. You can do digestion of these chemicals. Designed for digestion of COD test samples and multifunction dry bath heating. Dry block, so these are the dry block, made up of aluminium with 15 holes of each holes of 40 mm dia. So each holes of 40 mm dia. This is a digital PID temperature control cum display. So it is a PID based temperature control display. It can take temperature range up to 2500 degrees Celsius. Timer up to 2 hours. Samples after being digested for 2 hours can be analyzed using calorimeter or conventional titration method. So this is a COD digestion apparatus. Now we are going to operate this COD digestion apparatus. Now we will turn on this COD digestion apparatus. So to turn on, connect it to 230 volt AC mains. Turn on the mains. Here PID controller displays. Turn on. So here we can set the temperature as per our choice. So to set the temperature, press this switch. Along with this switch, we have to press up and down key to increase or decrease the temperature. So here I am setting the temperature at 36 degrees Celsius. So when this temperature reaches to 36 degrees Celsius, it will automatically, PID temperature controller automatically vary in between the 36 degrees Celsius. So you can see when it reaches the 36 degrees Celsius, this load, first of all turn this load. So here now it will start blinking after some second. So when it will, you can see here this load switch is blinking. It means whenever the temperature increasing, it will blink. So when it reaches to 36 degrees Celsius, after this PID controller will maintain the temperature in between 36 degrees Celsius. So you can see temperature continuously increasing, and when it will reach nearby 36 degrees Celsius, this blinking of load switch will take more time gap. So here the time gap is very less, it will blinking very fast, but when it will reach nearby 36 degrees Celsius, the time gap of blinking of this load switch will decrease, because it have to maintain the temperature at 36 degrees Celsius. 36 degrees Celsius. And we have with this COD digestion apparatus, we have a test tube, COD test tube. So we can place this COD test tube in this 40 dia hole, and we can fill chemical in this COD digestion tube. Using the chemical, we can perform our experiment in the chemistry lab. So it will heat up this chemical. When I fill this test tube with chemical, it will heat this chemical, and it will, so now temperature continuously increasing. Now the temperature is reaching nearby 36 degrees Celsius, and you can see this blinking of the switch, load switch, will, the time gap of blinking of the switches increase. It means it will maintain the temperature in between PID, because it is a PID controller, and PID controller will maintain the temperature in between the 36 degree centigrade. And you can also, so now it will maintain the, so here we have reached the nearby 36 degrees Celsius, and this blinking of this load switch will take more time because time gap increase because we are nearby 36 degree Celsius. And you can also set the time. So by pressing this set button, you can change the time. You can operate that this PID controller using the timer also. So for a timer, you have to press this up key, and with this up key, you have to press this key, and now we can set the time. So you can set the time as per your need. So it will digest the chemical up to 2 hours. So here now it will maintain the temperature in between 36 degree Celsius. So this is all about the COD digestion apparatus. Now we are also having a stand for the COD digestion apparatus. So you can place the test tube in this stand so that it will not get damaged. This is the setup of this COD digestion apparatus. So how you have to set this COD digestion apparatus? First of all, place this test tube, and after that you have to press this tube inside it, and you can place chemical as per your need, and you can digest the chemical using the COD digestion apparatus. So it get heat up. You can see the surface of this test tube will become hotter. So this is all about the COD digestion apparatus.